Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove pop-up ads on Samsung Galaxy A36 5G. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. Now let's dive in. Step 1. First, unlock your phone and open the Settings application. This is where you can manage everything from your display and security settings to network options. Step 2. Now, locate the search icon in the top right corner and tap on it. The search feature makes it much easier to find specific options without having to scroll through multiple menus manually. Step 3. Now type private DNS into the search bar. You might see several suggestions pop up. Don't worry if you see things like Wi-Fi or Bluetooth. What you want to look for is the setting named private DNS. It might be listed under biometrics and security, or just biometrics, depending on your device model and software version. Step 4. From the search results, tap on the private DNS result from the list. You'll be taken into a screen where you can change DNS settings. Tap on the option again to enter the configuration menu. Step 5. For the last and most important step, now you'll see 3 options. Select the one that says Private DNS Provider Hostname. Then in the field that appears, type dns.adguard.com. After that, tap Save. This sets up a DNS filter that blocks many types of ads, including pop-up ads in apps and browsers. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more great tips.